Rapids Tower, good morning. Helicopter 572, Bravo Charlie.
Helicopter 572, Bravo Charlie, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. We're over at flight like a northbound departure. We'll stay at or below 1,300.
572, Bravo Charlie, 10106, departure from the Ramsat, your own risk. When airborne, proceed on course.
Departure on risk and on course 572, Bravo Charlie.
Helicopter 2, Bravo Charlie, departure, lead surface area to the north, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
2 Bravo Charlie, thanks for the help. Good day now. It is a beautiful Michigan morning. Nice and cool, crisp. About 20 minutes to 8 o'clock. Be at our final destination for the day and 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Ground traffic, 2 Golf Delta, 30 down wind.
Well, got it. Cadillac traffic helicopter 2 Bravo Charlie. We're for 3 miles out to the southeast at 1,900. We're transitioning to the north, and we'll stay on the east side of the field, Cadillac.
Cadillac traffic, S6404 Charlie, so we're in a left downwind for runway 7, Cadillac. Cadillac traffic 4594, yellow P70, crossing runway 25 Cadillac, going 36.
Cadillac traffic, helicopter 2 Bravo Charlie, we're a beam to the east, 1,900, and we're northbound at Cadillac. Charlevoix traffic, helicopter 2 Bravo Charlie, we're about 5 miles to the south, 1,400 inbound landing, 27 Charlevoix. Alright, looks like we're about to complete this cross-country flight. About like 2 minutes from landing in Charlevoix.
Traffic 78 Golf, Midfield Hangars, when it's taxi out to runway 27, Charlevoix.
Charlevoix traffic, helicopter 2 Charlie Bravo, we're about a mile to the south and 1,200 midfield. We'll be landing midfield. We got taxi traffic in sight. We'll be landing taxiway clear of the runway in Charlevoix.
Touch inside as well, and 78 Golf for crossing 4221 Alpha.
Right here, go back to your left downwind.
going to land on the taxiway.
Yeah, we'll be using the taxiway, and then we're going to hover over to the FBO.
Understand.